Welcome back, loves. If you would like to know how I made this lovely crochet wig with a lace closure, stay tuned. It's very easy, very fast. You can be done in under 1 hour. For this wig, I'll be using the Freetress crochet wig cap with the side part lace closure. Let's get started. To achieve this look, you need your mannequin head, of course, your crochet wig cap, your crochet needle, and of course the hair you'll be using. For this style, I'm using the Xpression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist hair. This hair is very natural looking. It mimics the 4C hair texture, and you don't need to cut the hair. You just take it out and split it to your desired size and start crocheting. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take my crochet needle, I'm going to pull it under the holes of the net, open the latch, then I'm going to go ahead and hook the hair to the latch like so. Then I'm going to close the latch and pull it straight through. And all I'm going to do now is just take the hair and pull it through the loop. That's it. So as you guys can see, I'm spacing out the hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Hook the hair to put my crochet needle under the net, hook it to the hair, pull it straight through, and then pull the hair through the loop like so. So what you guys are going to see me do, you're going to see me do the edges of the section I'm doing first, just because I just like it to lay properly. So when I do the edges first, I find it easier to know how to I guess stack the rest of the hair on top just to make it look, even out basically. It's up to you to figure out how you want to space out the hair. I just honestly just eyeball things and just, add hair where I think needs hair. But I try to space it out, in this section just because when I get to the top, I know I'm going to be more close together because I want it to look natural at the top. So I just space out the rest of the section, the back area and the side section, and then, maybe do it close together at the top, as you're going to see later on. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start at the back. I really love the way this wig cap looks. I like the way it's kind of divided into different sections, and it makes it easier to know, like, you know, how to lay the hair, if that makes sense. um don't get overwhelmed by, like, you know, how much to put on each section. Like, as you do and go ahead and crochet braid the wig cap, it's gonna literally fall into place, and you're gonna figure it out as you go along. Can you believe all this hair is only after using one bundle from the first pack? Just one bundle. Y'all, this hair is really, really nice. A little goes a long way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the next bundle from the first pack. So as you guys can see, I'm doing exactly the same thing. I'm starting from the edges of the section that I'm working at, and I'm just gonna work my way up. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this top section off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys how I finished making the wig. So we're back, and I just, did the same routine to get all the way to the top, and now I'm just gonna, finish the top side, and you guys are gonna watch me do so. So as you guys can see, I'm doing this section more close together and side by side just because I want it to look more natural. It's the top area, so you don't want a lot of like open spaces, if that makes sense. But you can still feel free to like space it out in this section if you don't want it to look too full in the top area. But y'all, I love big hair, and I'm just putting as much hair as I can on this section. When you get to this part right next to the lace closure, you can definitely switch out to a smaller crochet needle. I could not find the little one I had for some reason, so I just ended up struggling with the one I had, but you can definitely still do it with the bigger crochet needle. And yeah. And we're done, guys. This is what it looks like. Freshly done. I didn't cut anything or do anything to the hair. And y'all, isn't it so gorgeous? I'm not a big fan of the lace, but we'll work with it and see what happens. Let's just ignore the fact that I'm using a turban to put my wig on. Y'all, I could not find my wig cap. And with the whole corner thing, the store's not open, so I had to just make do what I have. So I'm going to try to work with the lace right now. I'm going to use my Black Radiance palette and try to blend things out to see what that does to the lace closure. Nope, I still didn't like it. It's too wide for me. So the good thing about this hair is that it's so versatile and you're easily able to cover up the lace closure and work with it till like you feel like it's looking like what you want it to look like. And y'all, I love it. I love it with or without the lace closure. You can use a bobby pin to secure it to your desired style, but I didn't really need it. It stayed put for the most part. And yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know how you like it down below. Feel free to ask me any questions and stay tuned for my next videos I have coming up, okay?